It's a bird in the laundry room. I'm not sure how he's gonna get out, but it's not gonna be through me. Let me go in here. Oh shit. He's sitting on the bathroom window. But I don't want him to come in the bathroom. Ooh, big problem. Okay. All right. Okay, I closed the window. Got the window closed. I'm pretty sure the bird is still here. So I left this window open, and I guess he came in. So now we have a situation. Luckily, as you can see, there's a door here. That's the trash. Kitchen windows. Because you leave your windows open here. Note to self, don't leave them open that wide. So, how we getting this bird out of here, y'all? When I came back in here, y'all, it's now 2 birds. The bird now has a friend. So, I guess, I don't know if I'm supposed to close the window, open the other window so they can get out, or wait for bird number 3. I think they've now gone into this little bathroom over here. Yeah, we'll see how that goes. So here's one, and I guess they're now going to the back bathroom. I don't know if you can see them. They flew in there. The other one is behind the cleaning products, looking at me. Yeah, not really sure what I'm supposed to do. My nanny is coming. Maybe I'll see if she can take care of this problem. I'm pretty sure since they leave their windows open, they must be used to this, right? Because otherwise, the birds will live there, and I'll just go to the laundromat.